welcome you to another presentation on time calculation. My name is Mr. Sianga. Now, under time calculation, I will not waste so much time, we'll just go direct into an example. Now, we have an example here which has been given on time calculation. The example says, find the time in Calgary, 65 degrees west, when it is 21 hours in Zuba, 30 degrees east. So now, when we're dealing with time calculation, we're going to have something like this. We know to say this is east, and this is west, this is north, south, like this. Now, time increases going to the east, and time reduces going to the west. In other words, countries that are on the eastern side, they are ahead of us in time. Why? It is because going to the east, time increases, and going to the west, time reduces. Going to the south, as long as you are in the same line, in the same pole, time remains the same. So in this case, the question says, find the time in Calgary. It is 65 degrees west. So when it is 65 degrees west, it means time is going to reduce because we're going to the west. This side time increases, this side time reduces. So what we are supposed to do, step number one, we are supposed to find the difference in longitudes. Now the difference in longitudes here, we have 65, we're going to say plus 30. Now, we're going to add 65 and 30 because this is west and this is east. When you're finding the difference in longitudes that are the same, you subtract. But when they are different, for example, this is west, this is east, you're supposed to add. Therefore, we're going to add 30 plus 65. Now, 30 plus 65 is going to give us 95. This is the difference in longitude. Now, this 95 degrees that we have, we are supposed to know to say 15 degrees. Places that have a space of 15 degrees, they have a time difference of 1 hour. And the other thing that we're supposed to know is, when you cover a distance of 15 degrees, either going to the east or to the west, there is a time difference of 1 hour. Now, in this case, in order to convert this 95 into hours, it means that we divide by 15. Why are we dividing by 15? Because we want to find the time difference in hours. So, we're going to say 95 divided by 15. What answer are we going to get? How many times does 95, does 15 go into 95? That is what we're going to do for now. We're trying to find the time difference. So, what we're going to do is, we know to say 15 into 60, it goes there 4 times. We know to say 15 into 75, it will go there 5 times. So into 60, it goes there 4 times. Then 15 into 75, it will go there 5 times, meaning that into 90, it will go there 6 times. Therefore, we know that 15, we know to say 15 into 95, it goes there 6 times. So it goes there 6 times, remainder 5. So 15 into 95, it goes there 6 times, remainder 5. This is the remainder. So the difference in hours, it is 6 hours difference. But we are supposed to know the time difference in minutes. So to know the time difference in minutes, we are going to get this remainder here, 5. So we're going to say 5 multiplied by 4. Why are we multiplying 5 by 4? It is because we want to find the time difference in minutes. Because if you do the conversion, we know to say 15 degrees is equal to 1 hour, which is the same as 60 minutes. Therefore, in order for us to find the time difference for 1 degree, it means that 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. So since 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes, so it means that the time difference, it will be 5 times 4, this 4 which is here. And the answer that we're going to get, it is 20 minutes. Therefore, the time difference between Calgary and Suva, it is 6 hours 20 minutes. This is the time difference. So the time difference between the 2 points, it is 6 hours 20 minutes. But the question says, find the time in Calgary. And this Calgary, it is on the western side. It is on the western side here, meaning time, it is minus, meaning time is reducing. So to find the time at Calgary, we're going to say Calgary. Find the time, we're going to say 21 hours minus 6 hours 20 minutes. Why are we saying 6 hours 20 minutes? Because this is the time difference between the 2 points. So in this case, we have 20, up there we have zeros. So it means we're going to get 1 hour from 21, and that 1 hour, it is 60 minutes. So it will become 60 here on top, like this. So it will become 60 minus 20, which will give us 40. Then here we know to say it's 20. So it's going to be 20 minus 6, which is going to give us 14. Therefore, the final answer, it is 1440 hours. Therefore, the time at this point, Calgary, it is 14 hours 40 minutes. This is how you find time between 2 points. So you must be able to follow the steps. Step number 1, add the longitudes. After adding the longitude, divide by 15. When you divide by 15, you find the time difference in hours. And the time difference in hours, it is 6 hours. Now, that remainder which we have, and the remainder, it is 5. That remainder 5, we're going to multiply it by 4. Why are we multiplying it by 4? It's because 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. So we're going to say 5 times 4, which is equal to 20. Therefore, the time difference in minutes, it is 20. So we're going to add the time in hours and in minutes, which is 6 hours 20 minutes. Since we are finding time in Calgary, which is on the western side, and we said going to the west, time reduces. Therefore, we're going to subtract 21 minus 6 hours 20 minutes, and we'll get our final answer, 1440 hours. Therefore, the time at Calgary is 1440 hours. So this is how you find time between 2 points. So we'll move to the next part, where we shall look at angle of elevation. How to find angle of elevation. How do you find angle of elevation?